Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about our device, the Lemi chair, which coincides or works with our device called Omega. Now the Lemi chair is a fully adjustable chair in that what it does and what it offers you is the ability to seat a patient in here in a very safe and secure fashion. It comes with this harness straps, and also it is fully adjustable as like a hospital bed with controls where you could lock the casters, unlock. The device wheels around, and it's intended to really wheel your patient in front of the Omega. And once you have that patient situated there, you could lock the brakes. It has full adjustability where you could raise and lower, and also change the height and back of the chair as well, which in essence, what you're trying to do is change the seating position of your patients. So again, this is the Lemi chair, and it works with our device called Omega.